guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this pink and purple cut crease. Starting with the ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette, I am going to take this maroon pinkish shade and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and put it right in my crease. Now taking this darker shade, I'm going to also take this into my crease and blend it into that first shade that I applied. Now taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out that edge. I'm going to take this purple shimmer with a smaller brush and apply it over the pink, but I'm going to let some of the pink still show. Once again, blending with a clean fluffy brush. Now taking this Candid Photo Ready concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to bring it right above my crease. That way when my eyes are open, you can still see the whole cut crease. Once I get it all even, I like to pat it with my finger so it gives me a nice smooth base. Taking this purple shimmer again, I'm going to bring it to the outer corner. Now I'm going to take this Barbie pink and I'm going to pack it on where I have that concealer. Now to add some shimmer, I'm going to take this light pink shimmer and just add it on top of that pink that I just applied. I wanted some extra sparkle, so I'm going to take this glitter and just apply it over that pink shimmer. Now taking this lavender shade, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Once again, I'm going to take more shimmer and put it on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to pack it on the inner corner as an inner corner highlight. I'm going to take this darker shade again, and I'm just going to darken up my lower lash line. Now taking my Farmasi Extralast eye pencil in violet, I'm going to bring that into my waterline. To really make it pop, I'm going to take my Farmasi Crystal glitter liner and I'm just going to outline where I cut my crease. I'm going to take this shimmer one more time and use it as an underbrow highlight. Now for mascara, I'm going to use my Farmasi Zen mascara. To finish it off, I used my Farmasi Ink liner and I drew on wings and applied falsies. This is the final look. I really hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm also on Facebook at A Splash of Beauty where I do lives. All the products used will be listed in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.